Hey YouTube, what's going on? So in this video it's going to be a room tour fall 2020. So let's go ahead and get on with it. Okay, so this is the corner which I keep, which is just kind of like just a miscellaneous, whatever kind of corner. Obviously, as you can see, I have my Canon image class. Printer there. I got an optical drive up there, which is a Blu-ray reader, DVD, CD writer, which just kind of chills up there. And various different things down here. And you get like old cell phone of the wife's that we want to get pictures off of. Cheap little $50 action cam that I picked up at Costco. Figured why not. Multivitamins, screen cleaners, this paper towel that's good for just wiping stuff down, canned air, some other miscellaneous stuff. Phone case was sent to me that is wrong. That, well, Otterbox claims they can't ship me the Defender Pro when I don't understand why. Because they can't ship the rubber, but they can ship a complete case like this. Don't know what's going on there, but I'm probably going to switch brands. Okay, so this is my setup of my TV and my PlayStation. As you can see, this is my 55-inch LG TV. It's full smart functionality, built in, connected via Wi-Fi. And then right up top here, you can see I got my PlayStation camera, which oftentimes is used for VR or just some games like those Just Dance games. My wife likes to play them, where you just need the Move controllers. And then down here, tucked away in the back in there, is a 6 terabyte USB 3, which is plugged into the back of my PS4. I have two controllers. The red one is the one that came in the box with the PlayStation, and the other one is one that my brother-in-law gave me because he no longer plays his, and his no longer connects to controllers. Anyways, so that there is the PlayStation 4 Pro Spiderman edition. So that is for my headset, which you will find sitting right there. It is a Turtle Beach. Which is nice. I don't use it often, but when I do, it's nice to have down there. You just have a unused cable modem that's just sitting there. And a GameCube, which I'm planning on filming a video on that coming up here soon. And then you just have a dog bed down here, which is kind of funny because more times than not, it's actually the cat that sleeps in there. And then just a garbage bag, which I'm going to be putting out here later today. We put absolutely no food in this garbage bag either. Underneath it is where I keep my tackle box, because people have been breaking into sheds in our area, so I'm not leaving that in the shed. So I figured put it up here, it's safe. And these white bins are storage bins. They got games, movies, old music CDs, all that stuff just kind of tucked away. Obviously pictures, that sort of thing, stored on top. Okay, so this is probably the more exciting portion of this video. This is the setup where I straight up just sometimes put my feet up, watch YouTube for a couple hours, I play games, I work on videos, I live stream. Yeah, I know I really haven't been uploading much. I've just been meh, not really down feeling it, so I didn't bother. But remember, this whole YouTube thing is just a hobby for me anyways. I know for some it's kind of partly a career. So let's go ahead and we'll take a look at what's going on over here. So this is just it's just literally just a cheap $100 or so desk at Staples. It's nice because there's not a whole lot going on. Probably won't be able to see into there, but I do have a subwoofer down there. And then I have mounted my sound controller right there because it's the Logitech Z906 surround system. And then I have my 3 speakers, well, 2 here, 1 over there. And then I just have my Scentsy Go thing, keeps it smelling fresh up here. PUBG Xbox One controller. I use that for playing games such as like Need for Speed on the computer. Because racing games, they're not as much fun on the keyboard. And I got my Corsair keyboard. I forget the model number. Most of this information, I'll try and get it all in the description below. To a custom effect. Paired with my Corsair, I believe it's an M65, and this is also the Corsair extended mouse mat with a ICANN monitor, dual monitor arm, paired up with 2 24-inch AOC monitors. They are model number G2460V. I don't know if you're able to get that or not. I don't think so. Oh well. And then this is the computer itself. It's just a little over a year old. I know those vents are not as dirty as they look. I just blew the system out I think 2 days ago. This system has a Asus ROG MAXIMUS XI formula with a i9 9900K GeForce RTX 2080 Ti. I believe it's a Corsair RM850. So a little bit of headroom. So like if I want, I could add extra bits and pieces in here, not worry about it. And the CPU is cooled by the Corsair HX1000i Pro RGB 360mm rad liquid cooler up top. No optical drives installed. And then just over here I have my modem, external hard drive, my little tub of batteries. And living down there in the corner is my Plex server and the Phantom 410. And then my main set of Rock Band drums sitting right there. So thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. As well as don't forget to hit the thumbs up. Drop a comment below if you wish. As well as don't forget to subscribe and turn on the bell notifications to be notified of when I go live again.